Sometimes the banana nobody wants is the one you should keep. You've probably seen it sitting on the counter. A banana covered in brown spots, too soft to pack in a lunch, too ripe for most people to reach for, and it often gets left behind. But in the kitchen, a ripe banana is actually a small kitchen secret. As bananas ripen, they grow sweeter and softer, which is exactly what banana bread needs. And the bananas most people think are overripe often bake the most beautiful loaf. Grandmother used to say something simple about bananas. Never rush them. Because when a banana is ready, the kitchen suddenly has possibilities. A warm loaf cooling on the counter. Sometimes the same batter becomes muffins. Easy to pack, easy to share. And if you stay with us, we'll share Grandma's classic banana bread recipe at the end of this video. It's the kind of recipe that turns a few spotted bananas into something the whole house notices, because banana bread has a way of doing that. Friends stop by. Someone always asks for just one more slice. If you enjoy simple kitchen ideas like this, be sure to like and follow Grandmother's Kitchen so you don't miss the recipes and practical tips we share here. And before we finish, we'll leave you with Grandma's classic banana bread recipe. So those overripe bananas on your counter never go to waste again.